Hello, my name is Crystal Comber, and I'm the CEO of SlickTrade.net. In this presentation, I am going to explain to you how to alter median Renkos, the median Renko plugin, their candle body size, and retracement factor. I've had quite a few people ask me how to do this so that they could set up their charts to look more like mine. So I figured just creating a video would probably be the easiest, and hopefully it'll help out some others that have the same question. So let's get started here. I do have to have a quick disclaimer come up. Feel free to pause the video and read through the entire disclaimer, but when trading any financial asset with Nadex, IG, Forex, binary options, or anything else, there's a possibility that you may sustain a partial or total loss of your investment funds. As a result, it is advised that you should never invest with or trade upon money which you cannot afford to lose. All right? Past performance does not ensure future results. So, to add the median Renkos to your chart, first you will need to open a new chart in MetaTrader 4, then change the time frame to M1. That means just a minute, 1 minute time frame. You'll go to the navigator on the left-hand side of your MetaTrader 4, and you'll double-click on the median Renko chart. Okay, not the info one that's below it. You want to choose the, I don't know if your letter and number combination will be different than mine, but that's the one you want to choose. For the inputs, for the box that comes up, you want to click on inputs if it's not already up. And for the candle body size, now depending on what instruments you trade, if you trade currency pairs, I like to set mine to 15. And for indices and commodities both, I like to set it to 20. Okay, that's just my personal preference. I have tried other numbers in the past. This does seem to be my favorite, okay? And the retracement factor I set to 2. Okay, again, personal preference, so find what works best for you. And you know, do a little research, back testing, things like that. Demo your account and see what works best. And then you choose OK. You'll then be prompted to open an offline chart M3 after the first tick appears. Sometimes that takes a minute, especially in a slow market. So until that first tick appears, it'll say like waiting on first tick, or something to that effect. And then it'll tell you, open. I had the GBP USD, so they're telling me to open that M3 offline chart. Okay. So you'll go to File in your MetaTrader 4, the upper left-hand corner. You'll choose Open Offline, and then you'll select the corresponding chart with an M3 time frame. So in my case, GBP USD, you can either double click that or you can click it and choose Open. Okay, and your final chart should look similar to this. Okay, very jagged compared to the previous chart. And from there, you can go ahead and add the indicators you want to use and start trading. Okay, so that's it. Now let me show you on my MetaTrader 4. Okay. Okay, here is, oops, my MetaTrader 4. So what I would do is I'd go to File, New Chart. Let's go ahead and let's do the Euro USD. Okay. Mine defaults to H1, which is an hourly one. So I need to change that to M1, minute one, for the time frame. Okay. Over here, this is the navigator. All right, I'm going to select that median Renko chart, double click it. There it comes. It's going slow. I think I have too many charts open right now. So right here, if it's not already on inputs, you want to select the inputs tab. And like I said, for currencies, I like to use 15. Oops, so double click, type in 15. Wow, it's going real slow. Sorry, guys. Then the retracement factor, I like to do 0.2. I've used other retracement factors and they work really well also, but my favorite is 0.2, at least for the time of the day that I usually trade. Okay, and you choose OK. Okay, initializing, waiting for first tick. So once that first tick happens, we can go ahead and open the Euro USD, see, M3 offline chart. So you go to File, Open Offline. Okay. And we'll go down to Euro USD M3. Okay, you can double click or you can click it and choose Open. Okay, and then your chart should look like this. See? And then I have a template saved that I like to use for my Renkos. But you know, from here you can either insert and choose the indicators you like to use, or in my case, I have a template that I already have saved to make things easier and quicker, because it involves quite a few different indicators. Okay, and there we go. You're good to go. And you can trade. So that's it. If you don't have median Renkos, I highly suggest getting them. They're a great way to trade. We have an expert advisor for this strategy, actually, that's up right now. It's really a really nice one, and it gives you indications of when to enter trades, and it's a really great one. I like the median Renkos because you can change the candle body size. You can change that retracement. Last year I was using regular Renko bars that come with MetaTrader 4, and I do not like them the same. Okay, they still work great. You can still use some great strategies with them, but the median Renkos are much different, and you can really alter things. So check out slicktrade.net. We've got a lot of free trading education on there. I'll provide the link on this video for where you can get median Renkos if you don't have them. And you guys have a great one, all right?